fixtures for this house are black, so that's brushed nickel. And also,
buddy, come here. Come here. Good boy.
Okay.
What's up, people?
I need to get
How we looking?
lantern. Also, a new light for the front, like right there.
How you looking, sexy thing?
See it?
New light?
We light.
A new light?
You heard it?
Yeah, I heard it. I heard. Man, that's a sexy truck right there. Nice fanny pack.
I'm gonna go put it up.
What are you packing in there, girl?
Everything.
Like what? Huh? You're packing?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm packing too. Hi, babe. Come do the video. You're the star. Hurry. I'm already a minute in.
What have you kept them entertained?
What's up, people? How we doing today? I want to welcome you to one of our rehabs that we have in Mckinney, Texas, Collin County. And we're going to be doing a walkthrough today to show you the type of work that we do when we buy ugly houses that need some work, crack houses, tramp houses, abandoned houses, probate houses, delinquent tax houses, divorce houses, probate houses,
Hoarder houses.
code violation houses, hoarder houses, pretty houses too.
What's it called whenever it goes to foreclosure?
Foreclosure houses, any type of house that you are selling, just sell it to us. We'll buy it, and then we're gonna show you
What
what
we'll
we
do.
do after we buy it. Come along.
Okay.
You see why I can't be the star?
Yeah, you do so good.
No, I
I
didn't.
can't match that.
Well, give us a breakdown. Where are we?
So we are in Mckinney, Texas.
Is that painted already? Is that final?
It seems like it.
That white?
Yeah.
Is that pure white?
You think it's too white?
Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't go dark. I usually like dark trims. You?
Well, we can't because there's no dark. The HOA here doesn't allow it.
Okay. Come, Cash.
Right.
Let's go inside.
That's why I did it to match the trim of the windows for it to
Okay.
look like crisp.
Okay, looks crisp.
Looks good.
Too crisp. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go. New door already.
For the front, we
Door's
left the
looking
brick
good.
intact because, as you can see, it's a gorgeous brick.
I would have painted it.
No, babe, you can't paint everything black.
Paint it.
You probably would have wanted to paint it black.
Not black.
Yes.
Gray.
And so we changed the. What I was saying is, I'm gonna buy a
Yeah,
light
a beautiful,
here. Yeah.
dramatic chandelier right here.
Okay.
I want drama.
All right. Drama. Come on.
Give me Bravo TV on this chandelier.
Bravo TV.
Yes.
Okay,
Or is it
come on.
TNT? Which one is it? Which one is 90 Day Fiance?
90 Day Fiance.
Yeah.
TLC.
Give me TLC here. I want
Drama.
TLC. Yes.
Somebody's been watching 90 Day Fiance.
Somebody, huh? Her favorite show in the world.
I like drama, just not in my life. I like watching it.
There's 90 Day the other way, 90 Day gone,
Yeah.
90 Day before,
Before the
after.
90 day.
Jesus. He found a little chicken wing in the
Yeah, you
patio.
did.
He's enjoying it.
So cute. So we came to drop off some of the things for the rehab that we have going on in McKinney, Texas.
Nice.
This is a really nice house.
Yes, it
We've
is.
actually had it for a little while and we leased back. So we've been working on her for just, I think like maybe over a month now, which is also going too fast.
Slow down. Tap the
This
brakes.
house-
I need 90 days, people. 90 days.
This house has been flying by.
Yeah.
It's
These guys
literally
are
almost
fast.
done.
Yeah. We already got a fridge. How nice are we, huh? Yeah. Fridge included. Full
And-
asking price offer. You can have the
good
fridge.
Quality too.
Stainless steel.
It's not like generic stuff.
Fingerprint proof.
Yeah, fingerprint proof. Stainless steel. Well,
Fireplace. Way better than before, huh?
It
Did you
was-
see the big mantle in the garage?
Yes.
How good it
big
looks?
mantle is gonna go here. No, I
That
didn't
reminds
see
me
it.
of Country View.
Yeah, I didn't see the mantle.
Much better than the one in Garland.
Is this your phone? Is this your phone that Cash found? All
We're
right.
probably 2 weeks out on this bad boy. Countertops got done today.
And we've decided, since we're trendsetters, we decided to add a bathtub here to the living room.
That's funny, babe. You had me going there. I was like, you did that? That's real trend setting.
Right?
Yeah.
Imagine having a bathtub right here, how cool that would be.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. Right here in the dining.
I mean, Netflix and chill over here in the living room. Breakfast.
Cigar.
Maybe we should do that.
Yeah.
I think it would sell.
All right.
Look at this beautiful
Had our
countertop.
countertops installed today.
Javier is on fire.
Yeah, he is.
Wow.
Beautiful. So next
Looks
step
good.
is that we're gonna add our backsplash.
Backsplash.
Look at how pretty this is.
Oh yeah, he got it. He got the window
Backsplash
sill.
all around here.
All
And right here we're
around.
gonna have a black accent. Where the vent hood is gonna go.
I love black.
Our pendants are gonna go here.
Oh, 2 pendant lights. Look at that. Are they
Alright.
centered?
Huh?
Are they centered?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Gas stove.
look at it on this side. Come.
Gas stove.
You see it? From here.
They look good.
From here.
Oh, they did the outlet here too on
Yeah.
the island. That's good.
Look at it from there.
Yeah.
It's centered,
No, I
right?
meant centered also from that side.
Oh.
It looks good. I like it.
Where are the lights for these can lights? Let's turn on all the lights. Oh, I like that they're here. Ooh, babe, look at that.
5 panel doors.
So you guys, when we bought this house, there was a big wall here in the middle where they had the pantry there in the middle. So this entire thing was blocked off. You couldn't see the view. And now, buddy, give that kisses.
But I'm working.
He's working, Cash.
Working right now.
So now what we did is that we removed that wall and we added a pantry right there, right next to the sink, which worked out great in my opinion. What do you think, babe? How about your opinion?
I think it looks great. You talking about the new pantry?
Yeah.
And is this gonna be a chandelier?
Yeah, beautiful chandelier.
Nice. We're gonna get one out here to swap out those window glasses for us.
Yeah.
And we're ready for shower enclosures, frameless.
Yeah. These are new, right?
The
The blinds,
Yeah,
they look new.
They look pretty new.
Okay.
Okay, well, take
right.
us to the master.
All right, come on, guys.
Take us to the promised land.
This is the master. Keep in mind, this house is a newer house, so very minimal stuff.
Just
was
cosmetic
done.
stuff,
Just, we removed all of the builder grade things that they added to this house, and we've just custom designed it and modified everything. So now we left everything the same here, which is a very nice, spacious master bedroom.
New can lights, new smoke alarms, new fan.
Everything.
No carpet anywhere.
No.
Is this hardwood? Engineer hardwood or is this
Laminate.
laminate? It's laminate?
Laminate.
Oh wow, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very nice. I love it.
Waterproof.
It's almost like a white oak
It's
type
like
of
the
thing.
best kind though. It's like waterproof, scrape proof. It won't, you know, scrape or anything. So it's very high quality.
Very nice.
And then this is the master bathroom. Look at
Double
this.
vanity?
How pretty.
You're gonna have a big mirror here.
Mm-hmm.
Huh, this outlet is right here, huh?
I was thinking, should we just buy individual mirrors?
Hmm.
Or should we just do one big mirror?
Are we doing LED here or no?
No.
Okay.
Just
So,
because
so
of the
two
outlet?
individual mirrors.
Yeah.
Okay.
What
yeah.
do you think?
Yeah, I think we can do that. That way we don't have to move that outlet and they still have an outlet.
Yeah, exactly.
His and hers outlet.
Yeah.
We can even do a label. Do here, do his,
Uh-huh.
and then do a label underneath hers.
I think this side is for her, actually.
Okay, so her,
Uh-huh.
her, him, she, them.
Nobody puts baby in the corner.
True,
She doesn't like him in the corner.
true.
And then very nice chandelier that I bought for this area right here.
It's gonna get replaced from the can light.
From the can light.
That window, we're swapping it with frosty.
Yeah.
Frosty glass.
Unless we want to give the neighbors a show.
I mean, how much are they paying? How much property taxes are they paying?
Nothing's for free, right, babe?
No.
And then look at this pretty
Beautiful.
shower. This is gonna be shower glass. There's shower glass here. And since this tile here has hints of blue and gray, I decided to do the shower tile floor bluish because it matches the tile of that.
And it matches the stone. I almost thought it was the granite. The veins.
Exactly.
That was an accident, huh?
What?
No.
Nothing is by accident. What are you talking about?
I think it's beautiful. This used to be super enclosed.
Yeah.
And we robbed a little bit too, didn't we? So we can fit a tub. We still gotta center the. Why didn't they center the drainage and the supply before doing that?
What is this?
That's the supply line for the water, for the faucet.
I know, but one is for what, and then what is the other?
Drainage. That's where.
So this is where the faucet for the.
Well, they're gonna have to reroute it, but they should have done it before.
This doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
That's a big no-no.
So all this is gonna have to be moved over here to the center.
Technically this, yeah, because it needs to be like right here
Yeah.
in the center.
Yeah, we'll let them deal with it. And then a nice toilet here.
Yeah.
Are we doing an electric bidet here? Did you just let one
what
go?
was that?
Was that you?
Babe.
Okay.
What was that?
All right. Well, we gotta wrap it up.
All right.
We're 12 minutes in.
Enough horsing around.
This is the walk-in closet. We're doing a mirror here.
Too much.
That's gonna be nice, so they can see themselves after they change. We also have some popcorn in the closets as well. We gotta add light switches to the closets too.
We have popcorn? That's popcorn?
That's like kettle corn over there. Yeah, yeah. All right. So
Alright, well now we already did that side of the house. Come cash.
we haven't done this side.
I know, I said we already
Oh,
did
yeah.
that one side.
Guest
This is
bathroom.
the guest bathroom.
Beautiful, gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Tiles all the way to the ceiling. Look at that detachment. Look at this.
I love it. Look at that.
You know, if you have attachment issues, this bathroom is for you. Man, cute Tony, here I come.
That was funny, babe.
That was good, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Alright. That's a very, very big, spacious bathroom.
You have another bedroom here.
Big windows.
We're replacing the window
I
there.
love that window.
Looks good. We got another beautiful bedroom here. Can closets, ceiling fan, can lights. Okay.
I like that he's adding can lights to the bedrooms.
Yeah, I'm not gonna stop.
No.
Garage. Oh, laundry. Same tile as the guest bathroom. Huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty, right?
Then we got a 2-car garage over here. Water heater. There's the mantle. Oh, is that the mantle? I want to say that's the mantle, or it could be the post for the pergola.
Let me see.
It's probably the post for the pergola.
I think that's the mantle.
This dishwasher really isn't too bad, huh? We could have used that one. That's going on the rental somewhere. And we're going to take that to Granbury.
Take that to Wilton.
Take it to Granbury.
Okay.
All right.
Alright.
Well, let's do the backyard and then we're done.
Alright.
We're done, dog. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Good boy. Smells so good in here. Like new.
It smells like freshly put countertops.
It's okay, buddy. Come on.
Oh my goodness, look at that sky.
This backyard is really a good size, isn't
Chicken
it?
wings sound good now that Cash found that bone, huh?
Have you started your fast?
You guys didn't even see his face. Do it again.
I did this. This chicken wing sounds delicious. Maybe some baked chicken wings. I might do it.
Lemon pepper chicken wings.
I'm having sexual intercourse with the chicken wings.
Say what you usually say.
No, I gotta keep it PG, man.
Okay.
I got kids watching. Cheese is watching.
Okay.
All right. She is. All right, guys. This is it. That's all we got for you.
All right,
you got
guys.
anything else for them?
No.
All right. Well, thanks for watching.
Thank you so much.
We'll come back here
This
and
is a really great property.
we'll come back here in two.
Yeah.
The chicken wings got me watery.
Stretch your mouth.
We'll come back here in 2 to 3 weeks,
Yes.
and we'll do a final.
Oh, yeah.
We'll get her listed.
It's about to be
If
finished.
you want a home, hit us up, McKinney.
Yeah.
Low 400s.
It's a really great area.
She should sell very fast.
Yeah.
It's by Craig Ranch.
And it's a new house.
Yeah.
Great bones.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. Say bye, guys.
We're gonna go have some
Bye,
chicken
guys.
wings, guys.
Bye.
Peace.